I'm Miles Roberts. I'm head of the commercial group for iFi Audio, global sales director. Here in Korea to meet with a number of the retail outlets and my colleagues at I'm going to launch a flagship portable DAC machine called the Valkyrie, which I think we'll talk about later, yes? So, iFi Audio are an English tech company. We were established in 2012 and it's part of a larger parent group called AMR, Abingdon Music Research, which is a high-end tube/solid state type full-size audiophile system company, and we use some of that flagship technology to trickle down into the iFi product, which, as I say, was launched in 2012. And so over the last 10 years we've come to dominate the personal audio space. We have design technology with circuits and top-end circuit design. We have aesthetic design, like the look and the feel, the visuals of the product, and on top of that we have quality associated to what we build, where we source the products from, and again we have relationships with other manufacturers. Generally, you could say a company is a good company if it does any individual thing right, but we feel we do all of those things very well, and we merge them all together, and it makes iFi Audio a great company in the audio space. Really, the iFi Audio lineup breaks down into kind of three areas. So most of the South Korean audience will know us from our consumer portable DAC, portable hi-fi space, where we have a number of small devices that connect to cell phones or tablets or computers to enable you to listen to really high resolution audio, hi-fi audio, which is for the home space. So for example, the Zen DAC is now probably regarded as one of the best desktop DACs available at a certain price point, and has won consistent awards at like What Hi-Fi. We have two other divisions to the company. One is Silent Power, which is a major development from iFi. We had a number of accessories that were used in the personal audio space or desktop audio space, like USB interfaces that cleaned up jitter and cleaned up noise, etc. And then the third major area of development was iFi Studio, and we found a number of our products were already being used by recording engineers as reference listening devices when they were on the road and when they were moving from studio to studio. And there were a number of mastering houses actually that were using our flagship Pro IDSD model as a stereo decoder from the Mac systems. So we decided to push a little bit harder into the studio space. So it's kind of like three-position lineup really. This is our new baby. This is really the pinnacle of what iFi Audio can create in a portable format. What we tried to do was to give all the tools that we possibly could to the home listener that were really typical to a mastering grade studio. So we have like upsampling capability to DSD 1024. We have our new K2 HD interface software, which is a new algorithm licensed only to iFi Audio from JVC Kenwood, and a number of other active filters and our analog systems as well, like X-Bass. So really the permutations on the Valkyrie to listen to the music how you would like to listen to it is almost endless, and you can craft and create the sound much like you would if you were a mastering engineer in a studio. Well, we can't tell you too much about individual projects that are being developed, but we have a pretty aggressive R&D schedule ahead of us over this. You will see quite a number of other products moving into the market from the iFi Audio presentation, and also from the Silent Power group. We have a number of strong contenders to enter into that market. I mean, it's great to be back in South Korea. We're always challenged when we come here with the scope of what we're doing technically. You're a very demanding country in terms of the specifications and requirements, personal audio and audio in general. You're always pushing the boundaries of what is capable, and I think for a company like iFi Audio that keeps us agile and on our toes, as we say. So it's really nice to be back. Really nice to see some old friends again, and I hope that we're bringing you a new product in the Valkyrie that everybody will like. And thank you all very much for supporting iFi Audio over the last year since I was here last.